Hi friends! I'm going to read you a story today about different sea animals. This one is called Life in the Sea. These are starfish. Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 starfish. Can you show me 3 with your fingers? Here's 3 with mine. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Starfish. This is a lobster. Lobster. Look, the lobster has 2 big claws. Chop, 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 chop. 2 big claws. This is a whale. Whale. Has a fin up here, some fins down here. This is a crab. What color is the crab? The crab is red. The crab is red. Let's see what's next. This is a seahorse. Seahorse, look, it has a long tail. A long tail. What's this one? This is a shark. Shark. Look at his big teeth. Can you see that? Look at its teeth. Oh. This is a fish. 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 And this is a dolphin. Dolphin. Alright friends, those are all the animals that we have in this book. But look, I have a picture right here of all the ones that we talked about. Which one did you like the best? Which one was your favorite out of all the animals? I like the seahorse. That was my favorite. I like seahorse. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the story and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.